It's been a while. It's February 14 and I'm out and about for a quick walk. So, ta-da! This is my outfit. Wala na akong proper introduction, guys. It is what it is. Let's go. What is vlog without an elevator selfie? Fairness, madaming nag-walking and jogging today. So I don't have any goal. My only goal is to keep moving. Kasi, oh my gosh, it's so cute. There's a bunch of cats. I'm gonna show you. Hey girls. Hi, what you doing? The reason why I got motivated to go out at this hour is just that I really have to move. It's a blessing kapag kaya pa natin yung mga ginagawa natin today. Yun lang yung simpleng motivation for us to keep going, for us to keep moving. It's a blessing na andito tayo, diba? So today is Valentine's Day and our original plan was to go to Bataan and celebrate it with their families. However, ang daing bayarin, guys. So we cannot do that. But of course, hindi tayo gagawa something for our mom. So my dad, we're gonna pick up her flowers. And of course, hindi naman mahal magpasaya, diba? Ng parents. And kahit sinasabi nila na, oh, huwag ka na magbigay ng flowers, di naman makakain, sayang. Still, we all know that, of course, gusto naman talaga nating makareceive ng flowers. So, hindi natin i-deprive yung parents natin na makareceive ng ganun, diba? So, ano ba naman yung small amount of money para bigyan sila. So, yun. I'm excited to see her reaction, especially now that medyo stressful pa sa bahay kasi ongoing yung construction ng renovation ng house. So, let's see. And the reason kung bakit naglalakad lang tayo instead of jogging is just that I found out that mas malakas makaburn ng fats yung walking compared to jogging. So, hindi naman talaga kasi ako pwede mag-jog because of my scoliosis. Kasi medyo, hindi naman siya mild. It's severe. So, jogging is really not, good for my spine. Oh, tama, hinihingal na ako. Tapos, kung hindi pa ako mag-move, diba? Mas lalong mahina yung immune system. So, sadly, umaambo na. Medyo lumalaki na yung patak. So, tara, uwi na tayo. Tama na yung kalokohan na to. So, uwi na tayo. At least, di ba, we have movements today bago tayo matulog. So, yeah, balo lang. Matutulog tapos nag-workout. So, we're here.